Integrating your Threads profile with Instagram enhances cross-platform engagement and helps grow your audience. There are 4 main methods to connect your accounts effectively. The first method is the direct profile link approach. Navigate to your Instagram profile and tap Edit Profile. Look for the website field, which is where you'll add your Threads profile URL. Follow these simple steps. First tap Edit Profile, then find the website field. Add your Threads URL using the format threads.net/@your username, replacing your username with your actual handle. Finally, save your changes. The second method is bio-link integration. This involves adding your Threads handle directly in your Instagram bio text. This example shows how Julia Moore includes her Threads information prominently in her profile. Simply include text like, "Follow me on Threads at your username" in your bio. This method makes your Threads presence immediately visible to profile visitors without requiring them to click additional links. The third method uses link in bio tools like Linktree. These services create a professional landing page that houses multiple social media links, including your Threads profile. Linktree offers several advantages. You can include multiple links in one place, create a professional-looking landing page, track analytics, and easily update your links. This is perfect for creators managing multiple social platforms. Here's an example of what a comprehensive link in bio page looks like. Notice how it includes multiple call-to-action buttons, making it easy for followers to access different content and platforms, including Threads. The fourth method uses Instagram Stories link stickers. This feature allows you to add clickable links directly to your stories, promoting your Threads content to your Instagram audience. To use this method, create an Instagram story, tap the sticker icon, select the link sticker, add your Threads URL, customize the appearance, and share to your story. This creates temporary but highly visible promotion. Before implementing any method, verify that both your Instagram and Threads accounts are active and properly linked. This ensures seamless integration and optimal performance. Proper integration delivers significant benefits. Users who successfully link their accounts see 45% higher engagement rates, 40% increase in follower growth, and enhanced content discovery across both platforms. Choose the method that best fits your content strategy. The direct profile link works well for simple setups, bio integration provides immediate visibility, link in bio tools offer comprehensive solutions, and stories stickers create temporary but high-impact promotion. To maximize growth from your Threads Instagram connection, visual consistency is crucial. Your profile should look cohesive across both platforms to build brand recognition and trust. Develop a strategic content approach that leverages each platform's strengths. Instagram should focus on polished visual content with 1 to 2 posts daily, while Threads emphasizes real-time conversations with 3 to 5 posts daily. Cross-promotion is key to growth, but balance is essential. Share Threads content on Instagram stories and vice versa, but avoid over-promotion. Aim for a 1 to 5 ratio of Threads promotions on Instagram to maintain audience engagement. Technical optimization ensures maximum compatibility and discoverability. Always use the full Threads URL format in your Instagram bio, keep mentions concise and clear, and maintain consistent usernames across both platforms. When implemented correctly, these optimization strategies deliver measurable results. Users typically see a 40% increase in follower growth rate, 25% higher reach for cross-promoted content, and significantly improved engagement across both platforms.